turned in, and I'll connect with the left hand, reaching back with the right hand, laying the lady out, turning her, and then laying her out again. Ladies, make sure that you keep the hip line up, you keep the head up, and keep the arms back for the support. We can also dance this a little bit quicker, just meaning a flip layout. We could come in and snap it down. Love that. Okay. Then we went into a very common move. It's kind of getting kind of new. It's called just a neck drop. What you're going to do is you're going to reach back, thumb down, put the hand there. Ladies, to grab here for a little bit of comfort. We'll do it with 2 feet first. Ladies, making sure that you keep your head back. You'll turn just slightly, going down. Then back up slightly to support the lady, and then bring her out. If you want to make it a nicer line, you can do it like this. You take and you step forward, and you create more of a line with it, and then come up. Again, supporting with both hands if you can. Then we did a real fun one just to kind of cut a little time here. We took and did what we call running. Place the hands here, hands back here, and you just did a little running. Yes? And the very last thing we did, rotation. Okay, centrifugal rotation. The important thing to remember about centrifugal rotation is based on the fact that the lady's center of balance is past her balancing feet. So what we have to do is we have to establish a connection where we just have some center, she's off balance. Then counterbalance slightly. The easiest way to go into it is to actually to get a little bit of the weight or counterbalance established first, and then the lady will go into it. Bring her out, bring her just over her feet. And that's what we did in the trick lines and leverage moves. That's what it was. Yeah. As we did, we started off with a basic hip lift, and we talked about how the man should lift. And what he should do is when he lowers his lift, keep his hips in line, everything in line, and as he lifts up, he'll use the center and let the lady rest on the center. As he puts the lady down, he must lunge into his left leg and put her down. Now what the lady's going to do, she's going to connect over, shaking over the man's arm. She'll actually, in essentially, be squeezing the man doing this. She wants to make sure that she tenses the trapezius back here, keeping the scapula down, which is the shoulder blade, so that it keeps it nice and solid. If it raises, it looks like this, very painful. And also she wants to make sure she has a little tension in the pectorals right here. So, really cruising there. We turn in. She does a spiral. She spirals and kicks forward as she connects. We lift the lady like this. We turn once, and then we set her down. We caught the hand. We turned the lady out, and we rotated in. And the next lift we did was the upside down. I reach around with my right arm, scooping her up, placing my right leg behind her. I lay her over my leg just like if I was going to lay her down, and she brings her legs up. We brought her out, and just because it's swing, we did an anchor step. One more time, the whole combination, which could also be danced this way. We have as an option, holding onto the hand, you could actually take and go through, connecting, bring her down, turn, and up, and down, roll her out, anchor step.
This first pattern that we're going to do is an arm catch. It's the Manhattan to an arm catch with the drag.
Triple, triple, rock, step. Triple step, walk, walk. Triple step, rock, step. Triple step, walk, walk. Triple step, rock, step. Turn 1.2, drag, triple, triple, rock, step. It's also known as the Lindy. The next pattern that we're going to demonstrate is an arm catch to a neck roll and a sit drop. Triple, slide the hand over, catch, rock, step, 1, step side, kick 2, cross, sit drop, up, triple, triple, rock, step.